Hi everybody, it's Robert Kinsman with the Krause Kinsman Law Firm, here to give you an update on the barred hernia mesh litigation. So you're receiving this video update in email and text message if we have qualified your barred hernia mesh case. And to be qualified, you've had to have a barred product, hernia mesh product, implanted in your body and then revised or removed in the same anatomical location, same area of your body it was implanted. So at least 2 surgeries, one for the implant and then the other at least one more to revise or remove that product where it was implanted. I know you all have been with us for a while. These cases take quite a long time, a few years at least. We're about at the average time frame these cases take. I know for some of you it's felt like forever. For me, sometimes it feels like forever, but we're still on track to get this case done for you. All of the cases are consolidated in the same manner as yours, so nobody is too far ahead, nobody's too far behind. We continue to work to get this case hopefully resolved on your behalf. So we did have a May trial. We should be in trial right now, lined up, but unfortunately that plaintiff, the person who had the hernia mesh device implanted, had another surgery. So that moves everything back because they have to have that surgery. The experts need to go through additional review of the new records, medical records. New depositions need to be had of the experts because their opinions may change slightly depending on the new records, and that just takes a few months to do, and the revision removal surgery was too close in time to the trial for the trial date to stay. So there's now a trial in October and then another trial in January. All indications that those trials are not going to be moved. We're going to get those done, and then what happens? No matter if plaintiff wins, defendant wins, plaintiff loses, defendant loses, we still have to work to get all the other cases resolved. Just because one side wins, it doesn't mean the case goes away. So we can set up more trials. We can set up more mediations with the special settlement master. We're working behind the scenes to get your case resolved. So don't think any type of settlement discussion is stopped. There's just a lot of claims filed. So defendants barred has to figure out how they're going to compensate everybody and not at a low dollar, because the plaintiff's bar and the clients aren't going to take low dollars. So we're looking forward to the trials in October and in January. Again, thank you for your patience. These cases really do just take a couple years, and I think this case was consolidated 4 or 5 years ago. That's about on average of how long these cases take. Some take 2 or 3 years, some take 6 to 7 years, but we're trying to work as quickly and as diligently as possible for you, because we know a lot of you have felt like that you had a lot of questions and you feel like this case has gone on too long, but we're working as hard as we can for you. We appreciate all the outreach you've done and all the communication you've given us. If your contact information has changed, please let us know. Address, phone number, email. We need to know how to get a hold of you, and you get a hold of us. So again, we appreciate everything. Trials in October and January, we look forward to those. We look forward to winning, and we look forward to them helping resolve the rest of the cases like yours. So hang in there. It's a process. It can feel like a long, tedious process, but we're moving, we're streaming, we're streamlining, we're being efficient. We would hope to have had more trials under our belt, but some things just aren't under our control, but we look forward to continuing to represent you. Thank you for trusting us. We look forward to some good wins here coming up later this year and at the beginning of next year, and then maybe some more wins after that. Let's get this case resolved. Thanks again. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.